at me. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Holy fuck! He just shot that nigga! Holy shit! What the fuck? Nah, I'll get on my knees. I'll get on my knees. I'll get on my knees. Don't kill me. Don't kill me.
Don't run.
Don't kill me. Don't kill me. I ain't do shit. I ain't do shit. Listen, my nigga, I got kids. I got little Samantha at home. I got little Samantha. Don't shoot me.
Why shouldn't I take your punk ass life, nigga?
Cause I'm a white guy, and then I could possibly get you that motherfucking check that you always wanted, nigga. I know you want that SSI check, nigga. I know you want that shit.
Fuck SSI check, nigga. I heard Trump drive that motherfucking 5K. Nigga.
All right, listen. What about free food stamps for a year, nigga? What we talking about?
Man, this bitch called.
Huh? All right, look, nigga. We'll clear your child support debt.
I fuck with that.
All right, my nigga. Shit. Damn. I thought I was gonna die for a second. Nigga. I almost thought I had to.